You have a group of people who want to help out, and you're using Volunteer Spot to coordinate their efforts. Moms, dads, family, and friends. People who really care and who want to see your activities run smoothly. We're Our Rewards, a proud sponsor of Volunteer Spot, and we enable your group to earn money from this same energy and enthusiasm. Real money, really easy, through everyday online shopping. It works like this. You sign up in minutes, and soon your group has its own private online mall ready to use with over 300 stores. Your families shop online all the time. But now, each time a buyer starts at your mall, merchants will pay you a sales commission for every purchase, which are made at the regular advertised price. There are no extra costs. These commissions can add up to a lot of money very quickly, especially as your people spread the word and get their family members and friends to shop too. The commission system is over 15 years old. Hundreds of millions of dollars are paid out every month, and now your group gets to benefit. Your group's online mall is absolutely free, and with it comes a dashboard so you can track visits and earnings. It's all there on one simple page. And to be totally automatic, set up the free Our Reminder app to send regular updates to your email list. It's just like the Volunteer Spot emails, but these remind folks that every time they shop online to start at your mall. It's that easy. Our Rewards is a free, no-hassle way for your group to earn more money, powered by the enthusiasm of your families. Real money, really easy. Our Rewards.